Tasmania is an island state of Australia, located about 240 kilometers, 150 miles, to the south of the Australian mainland. The island covers an area of approximately 68,401 square kilometers, 26,410 square miles. Tasmania is known for its stunning natural landscapes, including mountains, forests, and pristine beaches. The capital city of Tasmania is Hobart, which is the second oldest capital city in Australia, founded in 1804. Tasmania is home to the famous Tasmanian devil, a carnivorous marsupial known for its fierce personality and strong jaws. The island has a population of around 540,000 people, with most residents living in urban areas. Tasmania features a temperate maritime climate, with 4 distinct seasons. The highest peak in Tasmania is Mount Asa, standing at 1,617 meters, 5,303 feet. Over 40% of Tasmania is protected in national parks and reserves, showcasing its commitment to nature conservation. The Tasmanian Wilderness World Heritage Area is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its unique ecosystem and biodiversity. Tasmania's Gordon River is known for its pristine waters and is a popular destination for eco-tours. The island is famous for its vibrant art scene, particularly in Hobart, which hosts the annual Mona Foma Festival. Tasmania produces some of Australia's best wines, particularly from the Tamar Valley region. The island has a rich indigenous heritage, with the Palawa people being the original inhabitants of Tasmania. Tasmania is known for its unique wildlife, including the eastern grey kangaroo and the platypus. The island experiences the Roaring Forties, a belt of strong westerly winds that can bring wild weather. Tasmania is the only place in the world where the Tasmanian devil can be found in the wild. The island has a rich history of seafaring exploration, with Dutch explorer Abel Tasman being the first European to reach its shores in 1642. Tasmania's forests are home to some of the oldest living trees on Earth, including the Huon pine. The state has a strong agricultural industry, particularly known for its dairy products, berries, and seafood. Tasmania has around 300 days of sunshine per year, particularly in the northeastern part of the island. The famous Cradle Mountain is part of the Cradle Mountain Lake St. Clair National Park, a popular hiking destination. Tasmania's unique geology includes a mix of ancient rocks and minerals that are rare elsewhere in Australia. The island has a number of endemic species, including the 40-spotted pardalote, a small bird found only in Tasmania. The Tasmanian devils were once widespread across Australia before becoming extinct on the mainland. Tasmania has numerous historic sites, including the Port Arthur Historic Site, a former convict settlement. The state's economy benefits significantly from tourism, drawing visitors for its natural beauty and outdoor activities. Tasmania has its own unique dialects and expressions, influenced by its diverse cultural history. The island is also known for its gourmet food scene, including artisanal cheeses and gourmet chocolate. Tasmania is home to several stunning national parks, including Freycinet National Park, famous for its Wineglass Bay. The state features several indigenous heritage sites, showcasing the rich culture and history of the Palawa people. Tasmania hosts the annual Tasmanian International Arts Festival, showcasing local and international talent. The island experiences mild winters and cool summers, making it a year-round destination for travelers. Tasmania has a noteworthy craft beer scene, with many microbreweries and brewpubs dotting the landscape. The island's wilderness offers some of the most scenic hiking trails in Australia, including the Overland Track. Tasmania has been recognized for its efforts in marine conservation, with numerous marine parks around its coast. The Tasmanian landscape features an array of unique ecosystems, including rainforests, heathlands, and alpine regions. Tasmania is known for its clear night skies, making it a great location for stargazing and astronomy. The island's climate allows for a wide variety of fruit and vegetables to be grown, making it a prime agricultural area. Tasmania's population density is one of the lowest in Australia, providing a tranquil lifestyle. The island has a thriving creative community, including artists, musicians, and writers. The country has several unique festivals celebrating its culture, including the Taste of Tasmania Food Festival. Tasmania has an underground river system that contributes to the many beautiful waterfalls across the island. Tasmania is home to some of the world's last remaining temperate rainforests.